What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Fearless here, and today we're going to talk about the little dark corner of the internet where you can pretty much get any drum kit for free. So let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so as a quick disclaimer, I do not condone anybody using this website or downloading any of the packs on it. I am simply doing this as research and just showing you guys that this thing is out there and it exists. So if you haven't heard already, you can actually pretty much get any drum kit. It's a hit or miss on some of the older ones, but you can pretty much get any drum kit on Reddit. So I want to show you guys this really quick. So you can either type in R drum kit or drum kit Reddit into Google. It's going to come up with a Reddit subtopic called drum kits. Alright, so when you get to the website, you'll notice here there's a couple things that they want you to read. They want you to read some of the rules if you're going to be posting, doing some things like that. Feel free to skip it if you want to. But you're going to find that there's all these drum kits and people just have Google Drive links to where you can download them. Now, what they're most likely going to do is they're going to name it a little bit weird, or they're going to name it something different, because in the rules it states that if you have a drum kit available, it cannot be the exact same name and everything that the actual drum kit is. So you'll notice that some of the letters may be different, something like that, but that's just kind of how they mask it and they can get around it. And what's really cool is if you're not keen on Reddit, this shows you how many upvotes it is. So the ones that have a ton of them are probably pretty positive drum kits. They're probably pretty good. And so yeah, you can go through and you can pretty much find any drum kit. And you can also, and then people also like go through and make their own drum kits, and they make one-shot kits, and they make loops and all kinds of stuff like that. You can find pretty much anything on here. So you can go ahead and you can scroll through here and find some cool stuff. Here's a guy that did a Skrillex-inspired kit. And then you notice some things like this where it has numbers in the title, and that's probably an actual drum kit where they went ahead and that's how they're masking it. So maybe you know what that is. I have no idea. It looks like BST God or something. But so you can go through here and you can look through all these things. Another thing is you can do is you can type in the name of the drum kit that you want. Type in the drum kit name, and then you type in Reddit afterwards. And if it's available on Reddit, it'll most likely pop up in one of these Reddit links here. Okay. And if it doesn't, that means that maybe the drum kit's been around too long, or the owner of it's been pulling it off the website too quickly. Now, once again, I want to emphasize that I am not saying you should go ahead and download any of these drum kits or go ahead and take them, or that you should even go to this website at all. But this is literally research, and I wanted to share it with my subscribers out there so you guys could see it first if you don't already know about it. Alright guys, and that is it for the video tonight. I just wanted to go ahead and share that link with you if you guys haven't heard of it already. So now you know where it's at and you know how to get there if you need to get anything, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, we're just having a short video tonight because I'm getting moved into my new apartment. I still got to figure out how I'm going to set up the camera and do all this different stuff. But that'll come at another time. Anyways, if you're not subscribed to the channel already yet, hit that subscribe button, bro, because we're uploading new videos every single day. And anyways, I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Peace out.